Hello students, in the revision lectures inside we are looking towards the second lesson, that is the angle. And in last lecture we had seen that is different types of angles depending upon its measures. So first of all, zero angle, that we seen its measure is exactly 0. Then second we had seen the acute angle, its measure is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Okay, and then right angle, its measure is exactly 90 degree. How much it is there? Exactly 90 degree. Then this angle is called as a right angle. After that, when we increase the measure 90, above 90 and below 180, then the angle forms, it is the obtuse angle, and its measure is above 90 degree, 91 to 189. If the angle's measure is in between this, then these angles are called as a obtuse angle. Next angle, it is the straight angle. Like right angle, it has also a exact measure, and its exact measure is a 180 degree. Okay, when the one arm of an angle again move forwards, okay, and its measure is more than 180 and less than 360, more than 180 and less than 360, then the given angle is called as a reflex angle. Okay, and at last we seen the complete angle, and its measure is exactly 360 degree. Okay, what is the difference between the 0 degree and the 360 degree? 0 degree inside and the 360 inside, both the arms of the angle are coincides one another, they coincides one another, but the difference is that in 0 degrees angle inside, this is the starting of the angle and it had not moved this angle is called as a 0 degrees angle, and another angle is the 360 angle. In this angle inside, the rotation of one arm is completed. Okay, rotation of one arm is completed, and then its measure is how much it is there? Its measure is, here it is, they are writing 360 degree. So this is the complete angle and this is the 0 degrees angle. Okay, after the revision, after the different types of angles, we just find out how which types of angles are present in the above figures. After that, we seen the how to read the angle, what is the name of angle, what is the vertex of angle, arms of angle, and match the pairs that we had seen in our last lecture. Now we will see the next part of the angles from the workbook, and it is here. Okay. So the next question is the measure of some angles are given below. So here measures of some angles are given, and we have to write the type of each angle. We have to write the type of each angle. So first of all, we will move towards the what? First box. It is given here. So in this inside, first it is the first number is 190 degree. Okay. So how much is the measure of the angle? The measure of angle is 190 degree. So tell me which type of angle is this. If you understand what I told you, this angle is what? Its measure, if you seen that, then you will notice that its angle is more than 180 degree, and the angles which measure is more than 180 degree, these angles are called as a, which angles I told you as per definition. You have to learn the definition, you will not do any kind of mistake in this. So these angles are called as a reflex angles. These angles are called as reflex angle. Okay, then next angle's measure is how much? 35 degree. Okay, so if the measure of an angle is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, if the measure of angle is more than which? 0 degree and less than 90 degree, then this angle is called as a which angle? Acute angle. This angle is called as acute angle. Yes, you know this? Okay. Now next it is 360 degree. As I told you, 360 degree is a which type of angle? It is a complete angle. It is complete angle. Okay. Now again the next measure of the angle is 133. So its measure is how much? More than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Its measure is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. And if the angle lies in between these two measures, these angles are called as a which angle? Obtuse angle. So these angles are called as OBTUSE. OBTUSE, obtuse angle. Okay, so this we had completed. That is the first part of the types of angle. So note down this. Now after this you just note down, okay, and you first of all you solve yourself, because we have completed this lesson, and then you just check in the whatever I wrote it, and then you just check your answer, is it correct or wrong. Then it is a kind of a revision also, and you will understand that which is difficult, which is means which type of angle you don't understand. Okay, after note down this, we will move towards the next part. Okay, now here it is, the next angle's measure is 170. So what is the measure of angle? 170 degree. If the measure of angle is 170, this angle lies between 90 degree, more than 90 and less than 180. So this angle is called as a obtuse angle. This angle is called as a obtuse angle. 0 degree, 0 angle. Yes, you know that 0 degree, 0 angle. Okay, then next angle's measure is 90 degree. If the measure of angle is exactly 90, then it is which kind of angle? Yes, it is a right angle. Okay, now the next angle is the 180 degrees, and the measure of angle is 180 degree. Okay, how is that angle? This angle is what? Exactly a straight line. Okay, so straight line means it is which angle? Straight angle. Okay, so in this way, from the measure we can find out the types of angle. Okay, and that I taught you on the in first lecture, first page was there, types of angle. Just now I shown you that also, you see, and after looking that, okay, you have to solve this question. Okay, just note down this. Okay, now we will take the next question. What is the next question? Observe the figure and write the each type of angle. Write the each type of angle. If you see here in the first picture, okay, if you see this picture, its angle is after only we have to observe. If you see, then you will understand that this angle's measure is more than 90 degree. 90 degree, more than 90 degree. This angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. 180 degree, and that's why this angle is which type of angle? Obtuse angle. Okay, this angle is called as a obtuse angle. Okay, now second you just see, if you see to identify the if you see this, its measure is exactly how much it is there? 90 degree, and this is the sign when we are showing the 90 degrees angle, this type of box we have to show in the on the vertex. And so this angle is a which type of angle? This is a right angle. This angle is a right angle. Okay, now the third, if you see here, whenever you are just identifying a type of angle, at that time what we have to check, where the mark of measures given. If you see here in this picture, you will notice that here it is the mark of measure, means we have to measure from here to here, and if instead of this, if the mark is here, okay, then we have to measure this angle. Okay, so we have to measure which angle? The arms inside this angle we have to measure. So what is the measure of this angle? The measure of this angle may be less is more than 0 and less than 90. So it is a which type of angle? It is a acute angle. This angle is called as a acute angle. Now the next, it is the fourth angle. Okay, if you see here, this is which angle? If the line here it is given, it is what I told you, it is complete angle or it is 360, but line is given, no. So it is a starting of angle, and this angle is called as a zero angle. This angle is a zero angle, right? Now the fifth angle, straight line is given. Straight line, if you see the straight line, without thinking anything, you just write here which angle it is. This straight it is a straight angle. Which type of angle is this? It is straight angle. And here it is a difference, you will understand, notice the difference between this is which type of angle I told you, zero angle. And if you see here, it is a completions, means one round completions mark is shown here, and that's why this angle is complete angle. This angle is a complete angle. This is zero and that is complete angle. Okay, finish. This is the what types of angles we had seen, and I taught you how to draw the different types of angles by means that using this. So first of all, what we have to do here, we have to take a arm first of all, and then put your protractor on this. So for these questions I told you how to draw these angles, okay, and this take these measures and draw the angles of different type, and then afterwards you have to write the word, it's a type of angles. Okay, so for this you have to take a what protractor you have to use for this, and then you have to draw here one arm, and by taking a measure of 55 degree you have to draw the arm, which arm, and this is the, if you see this angle is a how much degree is there, this angle's measure is 55 degree. You have to use the protractor and then you have to draw this. I am showing this to understand the type, to write the type of angle. So if you see here, this is a which type of angle? It is a acute angle. So I taught you how to draw the angles. You have to follow the all steps, means we have to take the one ray, draw at first, then keep protractor on this vertex on this point, and then after taking the measure from that protractor you have to draw this angle. Okay, protractor is here, I will show you. Suppose this is a protractor, then we have to, suppose I have drawn the line at this place. Suppose my line is here, from this is a zero, this from this line, this is my zeros line. Okay, and suppose 55 is there. So from this, how to, first of all what we have to do, we have to join our line with this point of this point, and then we have to draw the ray. If I will draw this ray from at this side, then we have to count the angle from 0, which is intersect, where the line is intersecting. So where is the 0 of this line? The 0 of this line is here. Okay, so on it 55, how it will come? 10, 20, 30. Downsides I am counting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 50's above line is the which line? That is, this is the 55's line. So after that we have to take the measure, put it here arm at this place, and 55 where it is coming? At this place. We have to draw our angle, and its measure is exactly 55 degree. Understood? Then in this way you have to use the protractor, and you have to draw the different angles, and then you have to draw the write the name of each angle. Okay, now next angle is the Now this angle measure is 120 degree. So how to take measure I will show you now on the picture of a protractor. See here. So we have to draw the 120's angle. So for that, instead of taking the line towards the right side, I will take the ray towards the which side? Left side. Then suppose I took here line, then if I will took the line this side, this is the main point and here it is my 0. Okay, now I will count with 0, that is which is the starting from the left side. Now here I have to take the measure of 120 degrees angle. So where is my 120 degree? So my 120 degree is my 120 degree where it will come? If you see here, this is 10, 20, this is 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and this is my 120's mark. So where my that line will come? It will come exactly at 120 degree. Okay, so this is the ray and I have to take 120 degree from here to, and which is passing from 120 degree. So this is my angle, it is 120 degree. And what is the type of angle? This type of angle is called as a which angle? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay, now next angle is the 90 degrees. You know that it is exactly right angle. So I told you how to draw this. First of all, you have to draw the ray here and keep the protractor and draw the line exactly 90 degree. And if you see here, you will notice that this type of angle is, which type of angle is this? This is a right angle. Okay, this is right angle. Same here, you just draw the 30 degrees angle. So how that 30 degrees angle will come? Suppose if you take the line this side, so suppose it is here 30, this is a line and 30 degrees angle if you have to draw, then what we have to do? You have to measure the 0 from left side of protractor, right side of protractor, and my 30 degrees here. So this type of angle will come, and this type of angle is called as this is a acute angle. So in that way you have to do the revision of this, and different types of angles also you have to draw. Okay, now here the some of the instruments from your compass box is given here. This is a compass, this is a compass. Okay, then this is a protractor, that is the scale that we are using for different constructions. And here it is the set square. Okay, these are the set square. These two types of triangles are there, they are called as a what? Set square. And if you measure the angles of this, you will notice that measure of this is the 90 degree, this angle is 90 degrees. If you see here, it is 60 degree, and this measure is the 30 degree. Okay, and for this, so this is the protractor whose angles are 30, 60 and 90. And here it is one more protractor is there, and its measure is exactly how it is there. This one is 90 degrees and this is 45 and that is 45 degree. Means these types of protractors are present in your compass box. And this is the divisor. That divisor is there. Okay, and that divisor we are using for the what? To measure the distance between the 2 points. Okay, so today the revision of lesson number 2 is finished. So all of you complete this revision, and tomorrow we will take the next lessons revision. So today we will stop here only. Okay, and this complete and send me on my personal number, and all of you do the revision properly. And for our unit test, I am going to give you the 4 lessons only, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to complete this all and do the revision properly and write unit test in proper way. Okay, so thank you, have a good day. Okay, bye.